Hey everyone, it's Connor from Bullion Now, and today we're going through a little bit of an unboxing. It's a pretty exciting one we're looking forward to. It's from the Royal Australian Mint. This is the 2022 Waratah 1 ounce silver. Now this is part of a series. The series is called Wildflowers of Australia, which will be really cool to see where this series goes. I'm looking forward to it. And the design is lovely. Obviously, it's based on the Australian Waratah, which is a gorgeous plant. If you've never seen one of those, go and Google that right now. Gorgeous plant. On the main side of the coin, very beautiful. I really enjoy seeing these sorts of designs, especially the native Australian designs. I think it's worth being proud of our forests and our animals and our plant life and wildlife. On the obverse, they've made a really good change. They've shrunk the Queen's head down, like a lot of the people around here are always complaining about. They want a smaller portrait of the Queen and some more imagery or designs on the back, and that's exactly what they've done here. And they've got a couple of bulbs and stuff out there, so it's gorgeous. There's more plant life on the back there. If you want to grab yourself one of these coins, you should definitely click the link in the description. But wait, there's more. Yes, there is. There is also the gold. I've got the gold here with me today as well, so we'll have a quick look at that. It's the same design itself, but a lot of people tell me that they prefer gold over the silver, even though it's the same design. So I think that comes down to when people really fall in love with gold, or they prefer the type of metal it's in. But I've been asking around the office, and some of the people in the office have said that the silver is their preferred this time around. So I'm not quite sure what the difference is and what people use as like a measure for that, whether they prefer this one or the other. I think it comes down to personal preference. And if I'll ever get this wrapper open. There we go. Australia's iconic wildflower, the Waratah, is beautifully presented in the Royal Australian Mint's most recent investment coin series, Wildflowers of Australia. The gold and silver coins feature an intricate design that showcases one of Australia's most recognisable and striking flowers, endemic to southeastern Australia. Oh, they're both gorgeous. I'm actually really impressed with the obverse. I'm super surprised that they've done that. But I think it's paid off. I think it looks gorgeous. And it's a really good way to use that same space. Well, they still obviously get the Queen's portrait in there. Gold just does look good, doesn't it? Gold is just such a good looking precious metal. So if you are interested in either the silver or the gold 1 ounce Waratah coins, click the link in the description and get your hands on them. I know that this is a limited release from the Royal Mint of 50,000 worldwide. We here at Bullion Now don't have the total allocation, but we do have a good amount. So yeah, click the link in the description and add one to your cart. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.